Hey guys, David from 12 Volt Technologies again, bringing you along on a quick one today. This is a 2022 Jayco Seneca built on a Freightliner chassis. We're replacing the existing Sony in-dash radio with a 10-inch tablet-style radio from Kenwood. This radio should let us retain all of the factory features and also get us a big, beautiful screen and volume knob.
And then, yep, if you could scoot that guy back there.
Most of these motorhome systems have turn signal cameras, backup cameras, SiriusXM, GPS antennas. There's a lot of wiring back in the dash that you have to be familiar with if you're going to replace one of these. This client had us add in a toggle switch so he could disable the coach speakers on the fly. At this point, we've got the wiring all ready to go into the camper.
Okay, so this guy goes into here. It goes into here. This is our switched ignition output, which is powering up that pack module. Our parking brake input. Okay. We're gonna get some zip ties for that guy.
Now that we've installed our pigtail harness, we just need to install the accessories that came along with the Kenwood unit, like the Bluetooth microphone and its own GPS antenna. It's important to spend a little bit of time keeping these organized and secured. I like to wrap wires like this in cloth tape so they don't rattle or buzz behind the panels.
Put one more down here.
Now that we've gotten all the Kenwood accessories mounted and routed through the vehicle, we can get started on getting the main chassis of the radio into the dashboard and making all the point-to-point connections.
So we're looking for a rear view camera, which is this one. It's gonna go here. The USBs, obviously gonna go to the USB, which is over here. To the GPS antenna. SiriusXM. Perfect. So this guy's gonna go round about there, low, and work our way high, I think.
You want to use my drill?
So now that we've gotten this thing in there, what happens is when you tighten this down, those little teeth push a button inside of there. Then, we can rotate this up and he'll have plenty of space. We're just kind of going through the motions here, making sure it's working as expected. Looks like we're getting satellite imagery, so that's good. It updated the clock and date. Let's take a look at Sirius. We should get channel 0 or channel 1 at least.
This Kenwood's a big upgrade for this Jayco. If you guys are in the San Diego area and you're interested in getting some work done on your RV, go ahead and jump on the website and fill out the Contact Us page.